Good day everyone. Our topic for the day is historical site and landmarks. What is NHCP? National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Created in 1972, initially as the National Historical Institute, by virtue of RA 10086, responsible for the conservation and preservation of the country's historical legacies. It is a national government agency mandated to promote and preserve Philippine historical legacies. Museo ni Emilio Aguinaldo. Museo ni Emilio Aguinaldo. Natatagpuan ito sa Kawit, Cavite. At dito pinoklama ang ating Araw ng Kalayaan noong June 12, 1898. The ground level of the house. It is a permanent exhibit on the role of Cavite during the Revolution. It presents the life of the General Cavite during the Spanish colonial period and the revolution against Spain until the proclamation of independence on June 12, 1898. It also covers the aftermath of the revolution until the Philippines War against the United States. The second level of the house. It is a living space of the house, similar to the traditional bahay na bato structure of the 19th century. The living room, the bedroom, dining area, and the kitchen can all be found in this level. Notable are the mesa, altar, large dining table, a day bed, and secret compartment, only used to regular guests. Rizal Park na tinawag na Bagong Bayan noon. Rizal Park or Luneta, as known as Luneta Park or simply Luneta. It is a historic urban park located in Ermita, Manila. It is considered one of the largest urban parks in the Philippines, covering an area of 58 hectares. It is adjacent to the old walled city of Intramuros and is of the largest urban park in Asia. It has been a favorite leisure spot and frequented on Sundays and national holidays. Named after si Rizal, the park pays homage to Filipino martyrs. So dito makikita nyo dito yung hindi lang ito nakikita yung Luneta Park. Meron pa kayong makikita dyan na parang museo, parang bato, na ibig sabihin dito pinatay yung tatlong pare na Patri Burgos at yung mga kasama niya, ang Gombursa. Kaya hindi napapansin yan ng mga Pilipino dahil parang baliwala sa kanila yung history ng Pilipinas. It also has dancing musical fountain show in different colors every evening. Rizal Park is the one of the major tourist attraction in Manila. Kaya naging sikat tong Rizal Park or tinatawag na Luneta Park dahil dito binaril si Dr. Jose Rizal. Pero bago siya binaril, sinabi niyang kaya humarap siya sa mga babar sa kanya dahil kailanman hindi ako tatalikod sa aking lupang silangan.